Welcome back to another Varberg Implement Tech Tip, and today we're going to talk about the basics of mid-mount mowers and how they work and how they attach, and especially on this GC 1700 series and the 60-inch drive-over mid-mount mower. We're going to jump in here, we're going to show you how to hook it and unhook it. We're not going to be able to get to take it off because the customer's on his way to buy this unit, but we want to show you how quick and simple it is. On the GC series, to disconnect the mower, first thing we're going to do is come in here. You've got your drive line here. You're going to pull this collar and slip that off. You're going to pull these two pins here, and then we're going to come up here to the front of the tractor, and I'm going to show you under the grill this gold pin right down here by my fingers. We need to pull that out. You pull this out, use this for a leverage, pull that out, roll this down, and you will see that the front hanger is off. Now to drive over this deck, you're going to have to pull these pins and get these wheels off to get the deck on the ground, so when you drive up over it, it doesn't try to slide on you. Front wheels are going to go up over this front, come over this pad, and come back. That's how you do it, but you're going to have to take all four of these gauge wheels off and get this deck on the ground. But one thing I want to show you about the Massey Ferguson GC deck is, you see this hole here? This is what they call a free floating deck. It allows this deck to raise and up and down as you drive, being pulled from the front from that crossbar, but floating on the back bar. To reattach, you just have to raise this bar up, pull that pin back, you fit it in the latches, let your pin do that, jiggle it, and your pin is in right here. That's holding the front deck on. It's pretty simple and easy with a Massey Ferguson. Now, deck adjustments. This is going to lower the deck to the ground like we've got it. This knob here is height adjustments. You want to use these different stages based on the height of the wheel. You want this wheel just off the ground. These do not roll on the ground while you're mowing. They are only to pick it up if you over a hump to raise the deck. The deck is free floating, so these don't run on the ground all the time. You're going to set your height there, but here you're going to have different holes in the spindle and the bushing here. If you come right up here on the front of your deck, you can see the different heights. The inches are in the right column, like this is set at 2.8. We're in position H on our front gauge roller. We're in Y position, the lower hole in our bushing, and we're in the C hole in the spindle. That's how you adjust cutting height. Bottom hole, third hole up. You would pull these pins here to adjust your deck height by the gauge that's on the deck. That's basically what it takes to do the drive over deck. So you can see on the GC 1705 here, same thing on the GC 1715 or the tractor loader backhoe versions, the 1710 and 1720. To raise it here, we'll just start it up and show you. Make sure it's in neutral. It's in neutral. We started it up. To raise the deck, pull up the 3-point hitch. That's the height to raise. To lower it there. That's all the way down. That's your free floating deck. And that's all you really need to know to put a deck on and adjust it for your different cutting heights. I hope that helped you get a better understanding of the Massey Ferguson mid-mount mower and how to install it, how to adjust it, and how to get more out of your investment. Check out our other great videos and visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer and get more, get a Massey Ferguson.